You are about to watch a transformation. Meet Maya. She's smart, hardworking, but her money story was a familiar one. Stuck. Her savings account barely kept pace with inflation, and the world of investing felt like a foreign language. She tried. Oh, she tried. One month it was a hot stock tip from a friend that promised quick gains, only to see her small sum evaporate. The next, a speculative crypto coin that felt like playing a slot machine. Each attempt ended in frustration, a feeling of being duped, and the firm belief that investing was just for the ultra-wealthy or the reckless. She saw others talking about portfolios and returns, while she just watched her money sit still, trapped by analysis paralysis and fear. Her brief moments of illusory success, a tiny gain on some fleeting trend, only made the crashes harder. This cycle, this loop, repeated for years. But stay until the end. In just 6 months, Maya's financial life, her confidence, and her entire outlook on wealth transformed. She found a path, a simple, beginner-friendly path. This shift wasn't magic, it was a plan. Why did Maya struggle? Why do so many beginners feel overwhelmed and fail in their investment journey? The core diagnosis is simple. They focus on picking the best investments, the symptom, rather than building a robust personal investment system, the root cause. They confuse speculation with strategy. They chase headlines instead of embracing principles. We are taught to look for the one big thing, the secret stock, the market timing trick. But true investing isn't about guesswork, it's about systematic growth. As legendary investor Benjamin Graham, author of The Intelligent Investor, taught us, an investment operation is one which, upon thorough analysis, promises safety of principal and a satisfactory return. Operations not meeting these requirements are speculative. Most beginners, without a plan, fall into speculation without realizing it. They react to market noise instead of executing a clear, predefined strategy. This reactive approach is where the anxiety lives, where money is lost, and where dreams of financial freedom often die. Without a clear system, emotions take over, leading to inconsistent decisions and ultimately stagnation. Here are 3 rapid-fire insights that encapsulate this truth. Warren Buffett, our favorite holding period is forever. This emphasizes long-term thinking, not market timing. John Bogle, founder of Vanguard, don't look for the needle in the haystack, just buy the haystack. A powerful argument for broad market diversification over individual stock picking. And from James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. This is a profound truth for investing too. Your investment success isn't about your desire for wealth, it's about the system you build to get there. Now let's design your beginner-friendly investment plan. This is your blueprint. Pillar 1. Define your financial goals and timeline. SOP. Write down specific financial goals. Examples. Save for a house down payment in 5 years. Retire comfortably in 30 years. Fund a child's education in 15 years. Assign a concrete timeline to each goal, short, medium, long term. This step is crucial. Different timelines dictate different risk tolerances and investment strategies. A short-term goal needs less risk. A long-term goal can withstand more market fluctuations. If it's not written, it doesn't exist. Be precise. Pillar 2. Build your emergency fund first. SOP. Calculate 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. This means rent or mortgage, utilities, food, insurance, transport. Open a separate, high-yield savings account for this specific purpose. Automate transfers from your checking account until you reach your target amount. Do not invest these funds in the market. Your emergency fund acts as a crucial buffer. It prevents you from being forced to sell your investments at a loss if unexpected expenses arise, preserving your long-term plan. This is your financial foundation. Pillar 3. Understand investment vehicles. SOP. Learn the basics of 3 main types. Stocks represent ownership in a company, offering growth potential. Bonds are essentially loans to governments or corporations, providing stability and income. Mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, are diversified baskets of stocks or bonds. For beginners, focus on low-cost, broad-market index ETFs. These passively track an entire market, like the S&P 500, offering instant diversification without needing to pick individual companies. They are simple, transparent, and proven to outperform most actively managed funds over the long term. Avoid single stock speculation initially. Pillar 4. Choose the right investment accounts. So P, understand the primary options. A taxable brokerage account offers flexibility, but gains are taxed annually. A Roth IRA allows after-tax contributions and tax-free withdrawals in retirement. A traditional IRA offers pre-tax contributions and tax-deferred growth. Employer-sponsored plans like 401k or 403b often come with employer-matching contributions free money. Prioritize contributing enough to your employer's plan to get the full match. That is often your best guaranteed return. Next, consider maximizing a Roth IRA for its tax-free growth potential. If it's not accounted for, it's not optimized. Pillar 5. Create a simple, diversified portfolio. ESOP. For beginners, a simple portfolio often consists of just 2 or 3 low-cost ETFs. Example, a total stock market ETF tracks the entire U.S. stock market. A total international stock market ETF tracks global stocks, and possibly a total bond market ETF for stability. Allocate percentages based on your age and risk tolerance. A common guideline is 100 or 110 minus your age for your stock percentage. So a 30-year-old might target 80% stocks, 20% bonds. A simpler alternative is a target date fund, which automatically adjusts its stock to bond allocation over time, becoming more conservative as you approach retirement. Choose simplicity over complexity. Pillar 6. Automate your investments. SOP. This is the most powerful step. Set up automatic, recurring transfers from your checking account to your investment accounts on your payday. Whether it's $50 or $500, make it automatic. This leverages dollar cost averaging, meaning you buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, smoothing out your average purchase price over time. Set it and forget it. Consistent, automated contributions remove emotion from investing and ensure you are always participating in the market. If it's not automated, it's easily forgotten. Pillar 7. Review and rebalance periodically. So P. Commit to reviewing your portfolio once a year, typically at the end of the year or beginning. Check if your asset allocation, e.g. 80% stocks, 20% bonds, has drifted significantly due to market performance. If your stocks have performed exceptionally well, they might now represent 85% of your portfolio. Rebalance by selling a small portion of your overperforming assets and buying more of your underperforming ones, bringing you back to your target percentages. This simple annual check keeps your risk level appropriate and reinforces your long-term strategy. Avoid constant monitoring. Maya, 6 months later. She followed these pillars. Her emergency fund is fully stocked. She's automated contributions to her Roth IRA and her 401k, capturing her employer match. She chose a simple, diversified portfolio of 2 low-cost ETFs. She's no longer checking stock prices daily or even weekly. Her investments are growing quietly, steadily, working for her while she lives her life. The fear is gone, replaced by a quiet confidence. She's not just saving, she's building wealth, one automated contribution at a time, planning for a future that once felt impossibly distant. Don't be the player, constantly reacting to the market's whims and the latest headlines. Be the game designer. Build a robust, automated system that works tirelessly for you, aligned with your specific goals. Your wealth isn't built on hot tips or speculative bets. It's built on a clear, consistent, beginner-friendly plan. Design your system. Start today.